Hello, everybody. Welcome to another edition of JavaScript collections, arrays in 30 days. I've missed 3 or 4 days being out sick, so I'm just trying to catch back up. This is day 8 of the 30 days working our way up from simple procedural type arrays uh, into a more functional programming one-offs, I guess, as I would say, meaning that we're able to abstract a bunch of code and how it's done, and just pretty much just get what we need. So I left day 7 with the with chaining. So we got to a point to where we started chaining. So whatever value that was returned from one of the methods, like map, that value was then put into the callback function for the whatever is chained next. So if it was filter, then that value would be in place of the values that was going to be filtered. So we're starting to make more improvements to where we're able to write more declarative code and have it to where we're able to just in a nice manner fashion, I guess you could say, is write it to where it's more sensible and it's easier to understand. So I think that when you're writing it, and learning it at the same time, I come to find that that it becomes more sensible as I'm writing it. So maybe I'm just talking a little bit too much. Anyways, so today I'm going to work on this next challenge, I guess you could say, in regards to multi-dimension arrays. Um, I gotta stop saying uh, anyways, and probably anyways. There's the for you. What I have here is I have a two-dimensional array, and it's got a movie list, and then it has videos inside of the movie list. The challenge for this is going to be to where we are able to get all of the IDs for each of the videos and flatten this array of arrays, back into a movie list. And the reason for this is because in order for to be able to do chaining with map and filter, we have to be able to concat. We have to be able to flatten it so where then we can use those methods to be able to get the values from those methods that we're looking for. So with this one, we're gonna be taking these video ID, this ID from the videos, and that's gonna come from the movie list array, and we're gonna concat it to where we'll then have one array that just has a listing of the video IDs. So let me start down here. I got a little note here, little comment that it's going to start with, for today, it's going to be 2 nested for each loops. Now what we have to do just to get ourselves started is that we're just going to all videos, all videos in collection, all video IDs. Let's just stay with that word. All video IDs, all video IDs in movies. So right now we're going to start with an empty array, and then by the time we're done, we're going to return that, because that's going to have all of the IDs that we need in that listing, and it's going to be flat. So here we're going to take 2 nested for each loops. So the first thing that I think, so let's think here. We have the movies list for each, what makes sense here? For each video, we are then so for each of the videos, for each of these, video. So what do I have to do here? So we have to take videos, and for each of those video, we are going to push into that the video ID. So let's think about this. So the movie list for each video. So we're saying video, for each movie. So for each of the movies, for each movie, we got to get the videos. And then for each of those videos, we are going to push the video ID into the all videos. So what that's going to do is that that's going to take the second level of the second level array. Well, yeah, so the first level, so the first level of the movie list, we're going to go through each of those. It's going to go down, and it's going to grab a movie. And then for the movie videos, it's called videos, right? Yeah, videos, we're then going to for each over the video, and then we're going to push the video ID. So then we'll be able to have just one listing, one array. Let's see if we're able to flatten this. Thanks. We don't have to return that, do we? All videos. What am I doing wrong here? Well, that doesn't make any sense. Why would I have to do that? Oh, I think I'd get a better idea if I made sure that Wacko was running on this. We don't need to. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that did it for us. So again, so now we have a single single array that's got the listing of the video IDs. Now, with that, we're able to then map, filter, what have you, on this array that we have been able to concat by using 2 for eaches. Now what we're going to find in the next video is, as we've been doing each step of the way, is that so we found that each step of the way is that this code that we're having to pretty much say how we're going to do it is that it's going to get stuffed away into a single method that will then do all this work. So all we have to do is say what we want. So pretty much the next video, I can guarantee you it will be to where there is a new method that we will write, and it will be pretty much very similar to this, just with a little bit extras, because we'll be abstracting it away and we'll have to be adding a little bit more inside of that method. But this will probably be a big chunk of what it is going to be for that method that we'll be creating next time. So that's it for this. We're just continuously moving forward in ways to work with methods in arrays and collections. And for the next time, we'll be stuffing this away to where we're using 2-dimensional arrays and concatenating them. And then by doing that, then on that new array that we have, we'll then be able to do things like map and filter. So that's it, and I apologize for sounding probably a little sick, but that's hopefully going to be something I'll be done with in the next couple days. I appreciate your time. Thank you.